Well, good evening and welcome back in. We've got a busy forecast for us as we roll through this week. We've got 2, maybe even 3 systems that are going to bring us rain and wind. They're also going to bring a chance for some snow on the backside as well. That's the main weather headlines we've got. Tuesday night into Wednesday, that first chance at some snow. We pick it right back up again Friday with rain and wind. And then we repeat Friday night into Saturday with some chances for rain and snow. Here's the risks we're talking about Tuesday, Wednesday. Mainly rain, mainly wind, and some high winds at that. High enough where we have a concern for the potential of some scattered power outages. And we do have some alerts in place for that. Now, the snow chance is low, and same with the flooding, because while we are going to get some heavy bits of rain, we have been rather dry for quite some time. So hopefully the ground soaks up most of it as it comes in. Let's not waste time. There's the main event right there. The big system working across Oklahoma right now. Heavy rain with winds coming up out of the Gulf, transporting moisture quickly. We're looking at some pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall as we get into the overnight tonight and into Tuesday morning. Let's just jump right into the timing of all of it as it comes in. Of course, windy on the front end too. You're going to see these showers roll in. This is all midnight tonight, and we're expecting to see some widespread rainfall and some pockets of heavy stuff. 7 a.m., maybe a short break, but the rest of the rain continues to patter on for us into the early afternoon. Late afternoon, another chance at some dry air, maybe some brief clearing, but another little wave wrapping around that low is going to bring more breezy winds, more scattered rain showers, and Tuesday night, this is 11 p.m., seeing temperatures get cold enough to turn that over to some snow for us. That's going to last into the early morning hours with some dark blues on here. We could see enough of that snowfall and the rates of it to let it stick in some places by early Wednesday morning, though 9 a.m. already seeing the precipitation end, and we're just in for a mostly cloudy middle of the day before some clearing comes in Wednesday night. First off, rain totals are going to be impressive for us. We're looking at a ½ inch to 2 inches for most. Some of us with 2+ inches and some very small isolated instances looking likely for us through Wednesday afternoon. The snow chances on Wednesday morning, we're talking trace to an inch, but it's going to depend. That's pretty much for everybody, but it's going to depend upon those temperatures and if we can get them below freezing and how well that rain turns over to snow. That's a detail that we're going to continue to track as we go into tomorrow as well. Wind advisory for everybody, though. That's midnight tonight through 7 a.m. on Wednesday. While this is going to show you wind gusts up to about 40 miles an hour, we've got a chance to see some isolated 50+ in there, and that could lead to some minor damages and possibly some scattered power outages throughout the day. And this goes again all the way till 7 a.m. on Wednesday, so expect some very gusty winds to go along with all that rain. Now tonight we're only going to get down to 38, so no freezing for us, staying well far away from those freezing temps to give us any chance of snow. 53 tomorrow, so actually on the warmer side of things, but the wet and the windy turn over to some cooler temperatures as we get into it. Now, there's one other thing I just want to quickly touch on. It's another system. It almost looks the exact same. Friday afternoon, evening, kicking in some rain, trying to get some of that to turn over to snow by Saturday morning. We'll have to watch this system with some gusty winds again as we stroll into your weekend. So plenty of stuff to watch here for you. Plenty of updates to watch as we go into tomorrow. Busy stuff for us here. A couple more chances and then some very cold air. Jordan, look at that. We got lows in the single digits, buddy. I hope you're ready for some more winter-like weather.